Share.
Yeah. Okay, let's start.
Number some paper gas, everybody. Tani ngatso George the Ketan in the log now Jakanyare, Tiringato, Kazakanya, Martins and Rosarita, Tirikinsum Ganavja Goni Machugia.
So generally speaking, what the class is all about is about the mind, right? And we have started in the last week already, and we actually and Geshe teaches the book on by His Holiness, the Science and Philosophy in Indian Buddhist Classics, so the second volume. And today, Geshe would like to speak about three conditions. The Wangshi, three conditions.
Then, Kensum the Shiba, not so sound Shiba Tamali, Kensum the Yoris in a Tamali Yomar, not so Wambu was some Tatsoli Kensum got sangre.
So, all consciousnesses have certain conditions, but not all have three conditions. But the sense direct, any sense direct perception has three conditions to arise.
Ati Kensum the Shegua Karasucha, Penangato Mukazing Tavitena, Mukazing Tonala Kensum Sangore, Pasho, Zuti Yogoriani, so one Daki one more on the Yogoriani, Shiba Namachi Dropa Chegore Mato, Ken Tesum the Matona, Mushi Makia Sonsa, Kensum Dandemba Shegor.
Yeah, so for example, if our eyes perceive a form, then there need to be three conditions in place for the eye consciousness to arise. So it's one, the object that we see with our eyes, and then the eye sense faculty, and like a previous moment of consciousness.
Also, Zingro Chipena Motan China, Tananga Tama Mota Saulo Tantogurita, Mota Chalon Yogo Marinato Second Motan Tongoma, Semla Tata Shayon Sonsa, Tenindo China, Ko Mukinzia, Cholokin, the Magos Sonsa, Col Shibangami Kin Gion and Ringro War. Sonsa Shibangama Dakin, Tematakin, Chashegor.
So, and then other than the sense consciousness, we have the mental consciousness. So, and to give an example, we can all, imagine a car, which is not, in front of us right now, but in our mind a car can appear. And so in that case of that mental consciousness, there are only two conditions for that to arise: the mental sense faculty, and again the previous moment of consciousness.
Ta Tendri Shiba the Ken Some Kina Nitawala Dinaga Su the Tematakin Zat come the Langato Shegua and the Shegua Tematakin Zat.
And among all these conditions that we just briefly mentioned, the most important one is the previous moment of consciousness, or the immediately preceding consciousness, and that's what I want to talk a little bit more about now.
Tanandia Sona, but the Chutokama Namjekana, Nato Namshi Zeat, Samlo Zeat, Yan Salo Namachili, Kitania Salo Namachili, Tete, Asalo Salo Namaliki Goremato, Salo Main Kitchika Salo Tsekiatini, Mandus or Nashimamba Nashinia Limon Bachayan Trozet, but the Chutoko.
And there is a quote by Dharma Kirti, which says, "It can also be proved because what is not consciousness is not the substantial cause of consciousness." What this is saying is basically that that any moment of consciousness needs a previous moment of consciousness to arise that it depends on, and so forth. And that previous moment again needs another moment of consciousness for it to arise.
So, Sonsa, that Nafshi Main Kachika Nafshi Nyelja Mena. Namshi Yates on the Chichiates on the Yatume Chandro, Mates on the Maya Tume Chandro, Tumes in Hakundo.
Oh, yeah, Samuel Marie.
Some by Chandro.
So, and by this reasoning that, any consciousness depends on a previous moment of consciousness, and or in turn leads to another moment of consciousness. So, this way we can infer that basically there's no beginning point to kasa shipa toma yuma.
Toma me pa tama me pa.
So that there's no beginning point and no end point, as it were, to consciousness.
Sonza nanchu di shiba ga gin toma ta tuma me pichani kiwa ngap che zia de tingo ni she yongore kiwa ngap chi yopa ni she yongore.
And this is also very much related to the whole idea of rebirth, reincarnation. So the whole fact that consciousness, needs to depend on a previous moment, and that we cannot really pinpoint, as it were, to beginning of consciousness, neither nor to an end of consciousness.
Tako shiba de mare samlo ze de ta zichan chi ki ni yong ta te san tser ki chena zichan rawo chi she gore tandin rawo chi yinna kandi chang rawo re ta na ngama go pa de chu la so pa te so chama ga kar so zichan chi kul ni ma ke yo na tani ta nga so pu tu so go samlo te so phama li ken yo yimba teli ma ton ro sa yo mare yina phama li ken an ku mandu ze ni tan je songo yore.
And it is, one may question why a consciousness cannot come from something physical, from some form or from the body. And whereas the scientists these days, they would say, mind consciousness is coming about due to something physical. It's a function of the brain, as it were. But in the scriptures, we find reasonings that refute that, and also Dharmakirti says that. Namshi Mai.
Pamali.
Okay, yeah. So and
yes,
and it's refuted that mind comes about due to for example the body of our parents. Because if that would be the case, then we would have to be very similar, in ways of thinking and so forth, than our parents.
So pombo point so pamani gi yongo sonza ta pamaga gini Put so young Japon Potter Leo Panage, Cassi Shipa the Pamani Kikone, Samlo Tantan the Japon Leguala, Samlo Tantan Dina Concentra Sondo, Seva Tan Shirap Tan Dochala Sopa Louis Caperteta John Lukim, Pendrup Kuni Wangi, Peluatan Gergula, Ternam, their members on the Caso, Samlo the so Kupama Samlo, John La Sopa, and Giva Magic Latining, so Samlo Yapot at the Chata Seva Yapoyo and Yotan. Shirap Chimbo Yonjota and Docha Chimbo Yonjota, Tetsota, Saulo Namalenge, Mari, Pamaga, Zuponli Chona, Zupolenjeva Yogo Alete, Zupolenjeva Mandus, also so Naku Pecho Tantongo and Joandroata, Musuntongoas.
We can all directly, see that although, of course, our bodies, we have obtained our bodies from our parents. But it's not the case that we have also gotten our minds from our parents. Because if that would be the case, and also His Holiness says that in his text, that if that would be the case, then we would have to have similar or the same qualities as our parents. If we have loving parents, then we would have that similar level of loving kindness in our minds. Likewise, if we have parents with very strong attachment or very wise parents, we would have to have similar qualities. But we can directly see that this is oftentimes not the case.
Ani jamba parde churak so rikpa na la jamba tanti tandu te san serik ta onde te sen recommendo da la ndu ma to nga so yang nga so chatama sangyang tani ja ja ti na la so chang da man da cha yung ndus chutama sangyang ja bi na la so chang bun ro tanti le yung ndus ta ko so bun ro te so le yung na te shiba te so pa ma ta te so ni le yo ma ri son sa shiba ze at Koroknama ni magi yongundu zeni tanji shegundu zeli leona te zeyo mara zeondi da te son serik ta ondi tinal zendu lagndo
Kasa
chutama tanga
sangba tanga budamen da do
ta te laore da te son serik she ondi mendu ze keli nal ba chaka mendu lagndo chutama ji wa tanda sonchu o tanji chiglap to son nengo to hako son ta chutama tanga nal bu chaka dus Sonza bucha sonza te zel tengo mandula or national te chi ore te konchu mandula chu samana lo bucha ayo yosare ota te yona te nyelenda zicha la tengo mandu namshi la te ni chong du ze or
aha in de kan des
national te chi ore
bude solaki zuk namshi ne yo
namshi ne ma le ondo mag ze mandula or ina ta te san ser kitana nduk mandula ni te ni la So
what I understand is that normally in water, although it's clean water, nevertheless sentient beings can arise in that water. And then, From the scientists'
yana
side.
ta so nyerlen de shibali teni chongare ze na chu te shegor ti na lum buchaya ta
And in Buddhism, it's explained that this is the case that these beings have come about due to consciousness that has entered the water.
yana te san seri ki ta che tan te re mandu ze re ze ndu se ze
Zele Jungpa.
Zele
But the
Jungpa.
scientists would contradict the idea and say that these beings have come about something due to something physical.
tani she ndu ze kar ze ti a so chikelin di bota na lu ki yo ta so tama changja ze ti na lum buchato mandu se
Sulapido.
seru pagla
Yeah, so the scientists would say that, in a clean bottle of water, no sentient being can arise.
sonza ti na le ze me na nafshi seni chaya chi mandu ze seru pa tani she ndu ze ta ti seru pa na chu ke cha samre ma to nga so to chon ro chi
Yeah, so they say if there's nothing physical inside the water, then no being can come up.
ta counter kar yena mana na chu ngoni shena tani chi ni shiba ngama ta chima gen ni man ro song ta ti go ni ta nga chu kiwa nga chi ya ta mukun thwa yo ma ka sa nga chu nge ma shia na ji ngosam ki kiwa nga chin thwa yo re zena yo ma ro
But anyway, so coming back to the idea of rebirth and reincarnation, that very much relates to the idea of that a moment of consciousness depends on a previous moment and so forth. But this is of course nothing that we can directly see with our eyes.
sonza nga chu ka sa ki ni shia ge lorik dang nang lorik ni pa ji pa ze ya te mu kiwa nga chu temple che yo re
So, and the other day we spoke about the sevenfold, the classification of the mind, and one of them is an inferential cognizer, and we can understand the idea of rebirth only due to inference.
sonza ta gemse mombo chi le saulo tani shiba te ni chongundu ma to zili ni chongomandu ta chongona tel ngama ni tiksa mandu chimal tiksa mandu zini rupa ta tikmeze ni gemse te ni mombo te ni uta kiwa nga shat yosare samni tel nga so ambi tel jipak kelengore
Tuksa mean toma
ta tomaya me
Yeah, okay.
tamaya me na ta kiwa nga chi yopa tenki tsare sonza ta tel te ni jipak sama ki nga cha reze ni shegor
Yeah, so we can establish the whole idea of rebirth or reincarnation by a correct, valid, inferential cognizer, thinking along those lines that, previous moment of consciousness, a moment of consciousness depends on a previous moment and so forth, and then we cannot point to a beginning of consciousness, nor can we point to an end to consciousness.
Kitan tser ka ta ke che mombo chi nga so na chu she pi ji pa ze ya tren do sim ra ma mombo gyam ni ton da chi tempe che so mus mu kan thon ja chi o mar sil te ni otan de chi sa re ze ni tempe che ya so nga so ji pa ze ya chi kitan te ni ro re
Si.
anzi
Oh.
anzi le te ni ton da chi tempe che yo ra te te ni chi yin sa pe na sha li si gyam ni kan ba tan che chong de ni chi yo sa rin thon de ni chi yo sa re ni sha ni mu ka man thon na si gyam ni ha ko ya chi yo ra te so le yang ji pa ta re ji pa shiba lori dang lori ni pa ji pa
Yeah, you have so. Nga zu kasat pe, che nga zu simo si kya.
nga sha ni di ni si gyam ni you can come back chi le che chong ka ze yo ta ha ko ya chi te so ji pa zina te ni ro re
Or another example for an inferential cognizer would be that we, make certain calculations, and then we can infer from these calculations how, big this and this building may be.
na chu na le ya ji pa ze de te ni kyang kyang she go re ya na ya tan de te so kyang nga chi yo re ta me re zin se ru pa te so ta na ba go she on de na ba yo re ze go re se ru pa ha ko mundu ze ni te ni she go re ta chi te ni yo re ze ni ta che yo ma re na te ro nga so Geshe
Well, yeah, so this is the Buddhist point of view on the one hand side, and which is not, accepted by the scientists, the whole idea of rebirth. So I can't, say definitely it is like this, but as we, or as I was requested to talk about birth, the intermediate state and rebirth, or death, intermediate state and rebirth. So we just take it as a given that rebirth exists.
So that Nachunan in Chawazia, the Karisha is in Andoshon in Chawirambat, Raksa Mato Yomari, Nashon it is a boyore.
So there are two ways of, this topic being explained, death, intermediate state and rebirth. One point of view is the sutra point of view, and the other point of view is from the tantric teachings. And the tantric teachings are more elaborate or more detailed.
La sota kyo ngapchi yo na tani chewa tang pardo to so yong ayo sonza nga so shewa karlo she ondi nga so ndo shoko she na chasem rakpa ze achi ta chamo ze achi nin ji she ne te mombo chi shira she mare.
So when we talk about death and then the Bardo state and rebirth, from the sutra point of view, it talks about that there are two levels of mind, like a coarser level of the mind and a subtle level of mind.
So tani rakpan ro tanda nga so sem ko kawlin che sem le chenja yo mare ma nepan ro chi nepa ma na chan ro shi chenbo na ni ma shlo ko shi pa tsama ma tum ru che ni te tabu tu ben ro chawe tenji kawl tanda sawlo te sa bon ro yo pa tenji kam ro chi la che se rakpa te ze go re ti kawl nga so getsa kewa nema kati na koro gewa getsa chang chang drum ni de ji na koti kawla gewa getsa ngon de kewa da dukpan ro chang chang che de ni chi na dukpa sawlong koro yo wa tani chi tenji me na yang ro chang chang che na yang loma teng sawlong ngon de chi yo wa ti kawla che se ro pi kawla get de chen gewa dukpa loma te sam ga yo pa kelengre
So wangshe changma this tim
te chang te thum ni tan da
no
ina yo
no
yo yo
So then when we talk about the mind the mind at the time of death, that's when all the senses sort of slowly dissolve or have dissolved a little bit to some extent, but then there's still some way of ability to think, and this mind of death can be either virtuous, non-virtuous, or neutral.
Tani Tamatal chisem chamo zea chi shegre ndo shoni chise chamo leon di loma teng sem chi tiz ma kechi ma chi tiz ta tinti kechi ma yin zeni tindri ayore ta konta tizu tundu chi par semba tezi kera ayores te loma tem baji ma to gewa ta dukpa tindri tel shege yo ma te ma she sonza nga so gesem gun chewa ta ma gewi sem gun chewa ta yon chakal tanda tuktam le jiga te so chama ta tanda It's Rakpa Kap Rela or Doshoni Shena, Rabika Mangan, just a Chamukabla Lam something Roja Karich, Tizochi or Marilla or.
Okay, so this is from the sutra point of view. And then they also say that the subtle mind of death is or arises only for a very short moment, and that's neutral. So, and when we hear, practitioners in meditation, while they're kind of on the way of dying, but they're still not physically. I mean, they have they are clinically dead, but they're still in this tukdam state of meditation. That's from the sutta point of view, still at the level of a coarse state of mind at the time of death.
So, tani bardo tan pa kiwa lenton so. Dotangani purchase Chipan Resonzang in Nibatal Nakashoni Chavata Chisheni, the Pardota equivalent on the Panyam the Shejan and Rizare.
So there seems not to be much of a great difference in terms of explaining what happens then when beings then go into the bardo and then take rebirth. From both the sutra and tantra point of view.
Last, then not showing the much in Choala, Jupcha Shuji Sheore, that tombo sem de la Machilla, Rapi Semzea, Chamu Semzea, Shantan Chamu Semzea, and Sound Little Desesum Cherry, Savi.
So then looking at the tantric perspective, there, from the tantric point of view, there are three levels of mind. We have the coarse level of mind, the subtle, and the very subtle, or most subtle level of mind.
Tani Rapi Semzea, Tandanga Sumbi Kap, Savlo Manchesa, Manchesa Resin and Sama Resin, Apache and Riri, Manchesa Samlo Teleco, Rapi Semgo Control Jacayore.
So at the time when we are alive, now in our ordinary, day life, that's, the coarse state of mind.
Ani ta tandigo machi ta shavala jikin chindi yore ze tinga so machi ta nani shayon di tombo jonga jeta maravjin dagre ze gore.
And then when a person dies, what happens first is that the four elements slowly dissolve.
Na so tani tombo deya ta kare ze tim jonga sa income dagre ze was sa income de on di sa income de nin ta zik pombo de yongore si muka wambo de yongore si mukshi de yongore ze ta so mombo chi nyam de ashe yore.
So what happens first is that the earth element dissolves, and together with the earth element, Miki Wangpo, also the eye sense faculty and the eye consciousness sort of dissolves. And the body, the body, Chungwa chagre segido. Tungtung, kase tungtung, tap chagre.
Jonga sankam dagre, shipa mushi dagre, wambo muwan dagre, ani pombo, ozuki pombo dagre. Tani ishinga nanga, tanda melon ishi dagre, ta ishinga da tesi nyochari, ta that's what the shina jixer.
Anyway, so first the earth element dissolves, and together with the earth element, the aggregate of the body, the form, the body, and also the eye sense faculty, and that goes together with the eye consciousness, that colors and shapes. And then together with that, the basic mirror-like wisdom arises. There not arises.
Tani tikable nepa korong takare yungurezena mukta so ya po momton ya ta ani tanda mujetavi na atenti chongureze gore.
Anyway, what that means for the dying person is that they can't see properly anymore, but they have like an internal sign. There's this internal sign as if they were seeing mirages.
Tani zirni tanya so karan tongorezena mit so zubo nyam tsama shornita sang kam de on di pombol nyam shor yungurez.
But it seems like, but for the people outside, they can see that the dying person's body also, well, he says it becomes rather thin in a sense.
Ta tele ketonti nyam de doar ngayore ta ngata sham gwash tani ni batel sang kam ni pa chung kam de yungurez o to so parum cheni yungurez ni pa chung kam de ondi ta ngaso chora mekire choi pombo de yungore ani changam re tini amchoko mokoya nai wombo nyam ngore nashi nyam yungore ta so cheondi chora yanshata mengyo tini cha yungore.
And then what happens next is that the water element dissolves, and together with the water element dissolving, the aggregate of feelings dissolve, and that also goes together with the declining ear sense, and which means that sounds are not perceived anymore as before.
Tani nepa korol su takare yungorezina chik toan chikanal top denyen ro chik tani ta yungorez.
And the dying person has the appearance of smoke.
Tanda ti tasam der mugjet tawat sore su tak toan ro jamba ya yungo am choko yakpo mo ko ya zipol tsoa mengyo tani le gorela. Tani korong kananda so zubo chat so kamni chashara zipol mea tani ya chakay goreze.
Yeah, so the eye sense faculty gets weaker. They don't hear sounds properly anymore, and also it says it's as the water element dissolves. Also, there's less saliva that dries up.
Ani teni sambata kara deviziti menkam de yongore menkam de yondi tazu po trot so nyani ti katula menkam nag chamatsarkin shiba ngag nang nashi nyam yongore ni nawa nyam yongore. Tanda pombo jeng ndeshiki pombo zeati nyamni nga so penjata pamata chopota na jingoshi but so shirango mishikiri donde na chinde ham ko etni chayungores.
And then next what dissolves is the fire element, and that goes together with the declining nose sense, that smells are not perceived anymore properly, or not anymore. And also it goes together with the aggregate of discrimination, which means that the dying person is not really able anymore to distinguish or recognize close people, close friends.
So tikabla so nepa korong na taksu dra the karche orezena tanda kana mekire la reso mekala tendrim bachi yore per tendrin chik per dia no and watch martar chade tini yongres.
And the appearance to the mind of the dying person is that of fireflies in the night.
Tani tam jong jeng ga tama longkam de yongor longkam de yong di tani woni mata garam ji shi yongor longkam de yong di chaloni wuk chama sinduni kale kalendani za womi na la tsuvun de yongore.
So next is the wind element that dissolves, and what happens in the body of the dying person is that the winds in the body gather together in the central channel, which is normally not the case when the person is alive.
Ti kabla tani che wombo nya da lik wombo nya ti nya lo wombo ni tsindu. Ti ne che wombo nya lik wombo nya ma tani tanji je yani lil tsoran raw me kere che le trachi ro chi che nyom to tanji ya cha ta ani zupo tro tam che nyam tro ha kwa zupo le tro me ya cha tro mare ta tanda vug dere tro ta chi ni ba tra she sa vug tanda ni ba she ta vug tsa de yongore ta te vug de ondi ta nga kanal sa goma ta tombo she ta ma son.
So yeah, then together with the wind element dissolving is that also two senses decline. The tongue taste, the person can't taste anymore, and also the body sense declines. And together with the wind element dissolving also means that the breathing stops.
Las tani che on di tani long sama dane dan nga kanal ma so zu bogani sa roma roma kyama zeni sarsam jani tel sa roma ta roma kyama ni kani long tanda gyu de wala roma ti nanu long choni gik me va tani chi shi yore
yeah, so normally, while we're not in the normal case, when we are still alive, we have these. I mean, we have so many channels, but mainly, let's say, there are these three main ones: the central one, and the right and the left channels. And normally, for an ordinary being, the winds do not move within the central channel.
So, tini maso ni jetani go in the nyaki ni ma gasiki ni yore se orta takandra china di katunda tindi chilate. Ninka mashik bitle zeata ti sa womi kikuli yore ze wore
sa uma
kikul ndi samro.
Okay, so the central channel starts here between the eyebrows, and then it's within the body closer to the spine, and goes all the way.
Yes,
but the center of the central channel is really in the heart area. I mean, in the center of the chest, not where the physical heart is.
Tiki kutal kare yore zena sonzengi namshi zeata ta sonzengi londa ta namshi chikta ani pata mali chong khatani ka tule karma panjela gashi zena chorchi karbo chorchi marbo reze gashi zena karma ni omando zena hakondo Pulbol sepi sebzar omandonda carboeta marbonje sonda karcho tindi do chinchu chikanal sonzen gi londa ta tanda nafshi chamongoni ta te tikikulu jani ni sa oma gan tsamal ndapan rawzena ba kani wol kan ndapasum wol ndapasum kani nafshi tu te tel de orze ore.
Okay, so tupasum ani tikila misipi tikila
nyungmesem da loni te jade ore
ani soklu
sonzen gi lon ze ata ni sem gujon ba ki londre.
Okay. So then the central channel normally for us is kind of being squeezed, as it were, by the other channels, and there are 3 knots above the center and 3 knots below. And within the center of the central channel, there's this so-called indestructible drop, which is kind of, or comes from Pameki Kutagni, which comes about, or which we have obtained from our parents. And it says it's kind of has 2 parts. One is white and one is red. And then within this indestructible drop, there is the most subtle consciousness, which rides on the Sobzinlung, the mind, the life-bearing wind.
Sonza, tani ngaso tanda tsagani sanro ta rapaji ta mombo jiata yore ta tani tandi chewala tini tanga so long tanda jepa pombo jepa kam jepa long kam da yondi long kam da ndani ta parishita Navjitsa omina long jikume pala leg to ki tsamda ta so chorni ta long the woman on the Sunday young gore, chalo long jikime, nago to Sony will change over.
Gonna this casa. Li wonky.
Takion, touching out so Pombojo and comes about long cup de Vashiriora. Long come to that. Long cup day on the Tata woman on the long come day young. Long come day on the chalo utayate cheong.
Yeah. So, okay, coming back to the wind element dissolving. So that's when all the winds gather, as it were, at the heart. But it also means that then the breathing stops of the dying person.
So, I'm going to remember that so Taki town the long the Sarditani, Taki cats on the knee, Yoma, Lapataso, Lecachio, Mari, Vutan, Mari, that in some short temperature, remember, so Zindu.
And normally that's the case when, that is the time when the doctors then, examine and they see that, or can, see that the brain has stopped working and the heart doesn't function anymore. And then they go and they would say that the person is dead.
Tanda not going on is in a Tanda Sheo Maris, Tini Genita, Tanda. John visited the son di Carlo Shipara Patama, the new Londa Chipa Rapi Londa, Bishipatama, and then Roti Jenny, Shiba Chamo, Shandam Rapa Chamoze, the Jenny Chamosum, the Nawat and Chepat and Yertosum, the Jenny Pond of Jenny Yongore. So,
what we have covered so far is basically the slowly dissolving of the coarse consciousnesses, and which go along with the coarse winds. And then it becomes more and more subtle.
Tachi Rapatsaman of Sanditini, Chamo de la Savio Pitani Tombo, now as they are the carriers in Lonkanga Nago Denibuki, Zawominal Leva Tema Tata, now as they are the Sharium Kuri, now as they are the Shariondi, who same gas now al carriers in and same Dawa Cartoon, same Dawa Cartoto, but any dochik now a Chungore, tell us now Carla Mazigre.
Okay, so on what happens next is that the dying person has the appearance in their minds as if during a clear night of when there is full moon. Yeah, so as if there was full moon, so it's the bright moonlight night. So that's the appearance of the mind in the mind of the dying person, and that's also referred to as the mind of white appearance. And
Tombo Somban the Tsarsam, the Tsarsam, Tiniaya, Goni Marley, Goni Alini, long Ninkal and the Goer, the Parum, Chini Younger, now Kalam and Cheva Malam and Yeton Alamas and Bicable. Wasser late Jenny Ninkal Lake over, Parum, Chini Younger, long the Goer. Goni Marley, one Yarlin in the Kikul and Dokora, Till Parum, Chini Younger.
And idea
Zutsai Ninkal Leo Mar, and the Pond of Chiniayong, one Yar, Gon Marley on the Tini, now Tombo Zuma Tatana Kalamatini, Ma, Sam the Sotorion, the Chepa Malamatini, Ningangumal Leon, the Nierton Nalaman, Tama, Ninki Sam the Nalters on the Jenny was certain Chagre.
So Tanda Bado, Nalepma, Saumala Lepso, Ninkala.
Oh, Leo Mar, Parachinion.
Okay, so maybe that was a mistake. So the winds have entered the central channel, but not right the center of the central. This in the undistractable drop. That's not yet there. So the winds are kind of still moving, but within the central channel. And while this is still the case, so then, as mentioned just now, there's this appearance of white, or the mind of white appearance, and what follows is the mind of red increase. The Malampa.
No, Malamarian. Yeah.
And to give an example, what that may look like is in the early morning when before the sun comes up, sometimes there's this redness in the sky. So that's sort of like the appearance that the dying person has. Namje long tanda tule le
chlo ko long de ni tel tu yong di nak tap se ro ja kare te din nyer tom naglam ba ze
Die lungane.
Sama di nyang ki mashi bitule la chlo ni do long de tu atarande nak tap se ro ja kare nga zo tremban to ana ji nak tu tu ching mang ga sha me atni chan ro reze
So, and then once the winds actually enter this indestructible drop at the very center, then the dying person has, or there's this appearance of which is referred to as mind of black near attainment.
Ani ti jikutel pa zagomi na ta mashibitile ngomel tawandi tani wasarze tamcha tomba wasar tomba jabata tani jeni sharyongore sitanda shipa chashurt tachi parmatala samra tama chashurt tani jeni leongore tam mashibitile la tombo tsami naktopse injoni tani anjot sa seri leni shipa sabo shuji legreze war.
And then just after that, then there appears the mind of clear light, which is very vivid, clear state of mind.
So once then tamcha tombi wasar zeat wasar tomba ni zeat hajani samlo natso rikpa ze gona sabbo shu ni pa chimo ma ti gon dukpan ro china dukpa chimbo shu che to ya gewan ro china gewa tup chimbo shu che cho samlo tsanshu ro ni pa cheshu ro te samlo te wasar ka sambati in lawor
Ale di
ducha chena ya dukpa tup che sa to ya gewa jumna gewa tup che sa to ya gitri res.
And that's this mind of clear light is said to be a very powerful state of mind, and whatever one then thing or whatever appears in the mind, be it virtue, it becomes very powerful. But likewise, non-virtue arises, that also is very powerful.
Tate tiktam lojin ke ngaka shena tiktam lojin ti tikatu le tsari ti nakin chashor tel ngaka chena tiktam jiga ore tandin do shok chena nakin chashor tel mela ore na shok chena nakin tani tiktam jini tanda nyama mombo do ya ta tsamati te manche za kapte tel tomba ni gongo ore kar chen zena kapte ti koro gashi koro tagaran ti tomba ni tonjo ore ze gashi zena tomba ni topa ram mare ze kanta ti kablo tomba ya posha go sa ti kablo tomba ni
And that's the moment, when this mind of clear light arises, that, practitioners on a certain high level, they then oftentimes remain in this state of meditation after they are clinically dead, which is then referred as tukdam. And that's the state when they are, in that clear light and meditate on emptiness.
Sonza tanda chwa shiat ngakashani tandi chachi shiat karrezina te kechimo shutsu ore tanda nga su nyamle chenye chi gom gyamye chi na chwa chukalam kerzini taka shia nanjin da ta nga su ngoni sachme lomjwa tam na karlama ne muki wasar parte yon yo marta tandi yungundu sam go so sem tembo chi ni tombo tani sa sankam da yungundu sanna zupot so nyam shor yungundu mukazu monton chandrondu tandi rendo ndu sani paparam chini gomjani takashia nanjin da muki wasar pata ma gomni tandi yungu yore gomjamni tsu nyamne cha no sonza te kechimo tsege yore
taritia kichiru
tanda shia ta jima shikala mol tadu kora teti yaboji chona til wasar ka kat wasar ngoni ka so nyamle yaboji che to ta ki achmal
So that's what practitioners do. They in order to prepare for death, they go, in their meditation through these levels. Imagining how these elements dissolve and so forth, and the mind, becomes subtler and subtler until they reach that, appearance of clear light. And then, in order to be able to make good use of that time at death, and if a practitioner, is at a high level, is very skilled in doing that, then it's guaranteed they have a good rebirth.
Ani anyak namjor zeat tikati ya malam nyak namjor nyamse len zeat anyak namjor kazanga so nyiku yondi tanda tagaran wambo to so ma de tanda chipa chikyan tombo nyiku yondi mukishra monton kire ne am choko daya muko kire supot so le tujanga mukdena cha muko kire ni so at so nyam nikali kali santama woni Tauton de Chipa Chicantanda, Cheon, the Tauton, Jean Botson, Montanion, and Nika Cablion, and Shipa, Mombochile, or is over Tachi, Shivika, Shipa Chamon of the Tindritan Roto, Marta, young Garage in Johnsonsa, young Richika Nikanamjo, the Najan, so so ni caps tanti saulo tani gom jani nyawle chenge chi yore tel ni kanam jolabre
Shikala Munangshin
chamo yo marioma.
But we well sometimes come across this dream yoga, right? Practice of dream yoga, and that's sort of very similar. That one can use the state of sleeping and dreaming, because it's basically more or less the same what happens during the sleep or dream period. That what happens at death. It's just the case that apparently one doesn't get to that most subtle state of mind, but it pretty much is very similar. The sleeping and dreaming process and the dying process.
Ani sonsa ta nyek nam joina ta da nyemu nam joina re malam nam joina re sama tanji gom dena chendel ta ki shwa ta chupa chikyang nga cho long sama deni long ma na le jani na go khoro ta mo go ni ta tanji gom jani de to ya tanji pa so so nyamle ya po che to na te tanda mashina te yon yore
ke ukma thang go
na go wu chuni ta mo go ni ko na lo sama ta go mi na le jani ta ji shia na je shwa na je ji te lam gom to ki ta go mi na le chang ze tanda le to ke tanda shia te le to kare so so gom jan chi pa chi chang che ni nyamle che yore ze wore.
But there are definitely practitioners, who are able to make use of their sleep and their dream, and that they even can work with their, energies, their winds and channels in the body, and make the winds, energy winds, dissolve or enter the central channel, and that they even don't have the need to breathe anymore during their practice.
Sans attendre, tadi song kable so so long mi na den en tombo tre ta mato na ya ta tanjapo nji gomona jima she on di tel sablo tani gomondi ani aslit tondango mangol gom jap to ya telia tak te gom jal ke sa ni tsigi yore ke sa chi tsendel tagara anam ngonde kertomnan en tombo tre te mato na ya te tanjapo nji tsendel gom de ti che on di ngoni te ngol nyamlen ro to ya tanji chi tsigi yore te ni re.
If we can, practice like, these high practitioners, that's of course best. But if we can't do that, we can, try to do likewise, similar, But in any case, we benefit greatly because it's a great preparation for when we actually die.
So that time chukulam kirzini sa chimotri kyozona bi gom jabu yona ta karina gom jata yori ta tinji jojo chini saulo tani gom ni ta ma re le saulo tan lo chini ma gom ni ro shota pe ya po ne tinji panam chini tini ngoni toni ji ma tini le ona so kyozan chimo ra ya rewa chimore.
It's also my suggestion what you can use in your meditation to to imagine these processes that we just covered.
Also, tani chwa kort tani dawachi yin tanchini tani pardo drawa tanda long the tama ninkan deni deo ti tani long tets gi chojana inkal deni tachi gomjani deora tombu tani long ninka tets de on the namshi tets gi chojana ani moshi pi tule gnani tani namshi ta long ninka tunjo gore tunjo taran de tsendi shiwa taran le jakore.
So then we continuing on from when the mind actually has entered the indestructible drop. So from there, the person from the Buddhist point of view is not really dead yet. But what happens is that once the winds move, there is some movement in some ways. Then the mind together, the most subtle mind with the wind. The most subtle wind exits this indestructible drop, and that's the moment of actually death from the Buddhist point of view.
Last tani shima tema tata pardo taran chabere ngaso kenche pardo jipi pardo te chabiyondi ko pardo te zupo tsama wombo tsama tsangyo tombo koni zamchar yonjo pa jetan ran la so ban kanchim la so pa la topa me pa jigtoni tani chabiyongo yorezewore.
So that together, basically at the same time of this actual death, where the consciousness, this more subtle consciousness, and the wind leave this indestructible drop, it's also the moment when the being enters the so-called bardo state, and that's a more subtle being, or one has a very subtle form, where the person is able to go freely. It's not obstructed by anything.
Tani Zosta the Koro, Kiwachimal, Papa Kingi in a Papa and the Chimilikingi in a Mundra which you don't, Halikingi in a Landa which you, Nyawalikingi in a Nyawa Zotanda which you go so. Roajika Kiwalinki in a Tizot and the Chini de Recipadovat.
And the beings in the Bardo state are said to have a body that likens, I mean, it's a very subtle body, but it looks like any of the beings that they are going to be reborn. Say if a person is going to be reborn as a human, they will have a subtle body with, a subtle Bardo body that looks like a human. Or likewise, when the person is going to be, reborn as a god, they have a subtle body that looks like a god being or an animal and so forth.
Then you could say the Karazit, the Japo Dundam. In a Pardo, Yanjo, Temakazikia, your resina Tema Dunkia, your residunchamani, the Japo Jegun, all Pardo, Koraja, Yami, your res.
And it said that a Bardo being usually lives up to 7 days before they take rebirth, but it can be the case that they don't find a body to be reborn, as it were, or that then they're reborn again in the Bardo state for yet another 7 days. But that continues maximum for 49 days, after which they are definitely going to be reborn.
Tening Penangando China Shasona Pardo, Katsirana, Japo Jegure, Jagu, Gilini, Tenin Dorje to Conrochil Kendo race.
Yeah, so if I die, for example, it's the maximum amount of 49 days that that I will be in the Bardo state. But after that, I will definitely will take rebirth.
Ani that is Kesatal Nanchunani Kiani Genroshi or Kiwaleondi, Ziskim, Conkim, Marki, Toshili Kiva Jerit, and Conrochil Kendo.
And then it is explained that there are 4 ways in which beings are being reborn. As humans, obviously, we are born from the womb, but then there's those beings that are born from an egg, and then there are those born from heat, warmth, and moisture, and those born miraculously.
Tani, Tanda Pena Sandra, Tenji, and Zikiripa, not so Jashawa Najiko, Metot at the Soganani Kiungre Mato. Pamatanjigo, Marichikango, Maris and Dutang, Market and also Hakore Marches at Tandrosiandro, Maziandro, so Marches and Markiri. That Joshiliki was it in Butaso, Burchita and Mombo Chita, Lombandra, Chitantani, Chondra, Teslina, Kiungorese, Guantina Hakora, Chargon, Chali Kenyo, Tesori, Tesol, and some Nikia Lagundu, Chali. Changali Kiwatan, Jimagongali Kiwa in Sonsa, Nikia Lagundu, or Kenny Mandrava Tejetre.
Yeah, so there's this so-called miraculous birth that god beings, for example, are said to be born. That they may be born from a flower or so. But then there are beings, animals and humans. They're born from the womb, and then those from the egg. And then if there's some, moisture somewhere and, it's warm, then beings can also rise in that.
Tani, Tanda Pardota, Kiwa Nikala Saulo, Tantandra, what the carrot, not so gumja, capsatel Saulo Cartangaris, and attacking us so much Shatanaj Saulo Tanimuki, Nixia Chamu Partel, Lon da Sim Chamuma, Chamu, Matomea, the Partel Gumjani Tigre. Teniti lonsem the Gichochi Javni, Pardo Najang, Yanjo so longer trippy, Lisar Batanjigo, Nasat Sonaya Chekam, Mesatanga Sonamja, Chukalauri, Sanji Kandrauch, so was the Pokoro Sanji Karinjo and Rotendi Saulo on its second, Pardo Najan, Gomjani, Pardo Letia Leomata Chupa, Najan Chikoro, Lisar Bachileni, Levion at the Gomjawore. Tangatsu. Taki Gomja Ikasa Wasser Pat Gomjani Letara, so Tanaja. I was a Kami, Tito Loyos on a Pardol Kendro Ora. Pardol Kendro and Najan as Saulo Tankasi, Tenian Sosol, Tanda Pombo to Maimba. Lissarbajic the Chosson, some Lissarbat and pay Juntrukuli Najan, Nasata, Sochen, Konaya Mesagpa, Pay Zupo Chabra Shuchi, Gengoya Chachimea, Naya Mesa, Tanju Saulo Chik Tangayore, the Saulo Tanaltini Chima, Yavikananga, Chuki Zukungo and Chek Gestagore, so that Tanjic also Saulo Tani Gomgore.
Tanda
Gomjavikasan. Mancha Manawasa Patagum, Teni Pardo Tantambal, so Lissar Bachit of Son, some Samchi.
Sangeki Kudanda. Okay, so to continue with what we could do in our meditation, so we went through all these stages before, up to the clear light state. But then what we can continue with is that we imagine to enter the bardo, and we can then visualize ourselves being reborn, as it were, as an enlightened being free from illness and so forth.
Tati korlatani jacheri tona ta kamen dame jachembo gomya yori ngoni hi. Te shia ore tanga so teri jacheri ndo to amundu tani yama konsan chokot zemo seni tani chik son tani rawo chi ninga ngagze ate yakpo te shu yore se yana na to mari tanya chi rendu seni kol konsan chokla mi jamba chi tani laf son se.
Ngak yakpo shibo yore.
Yakpo tandu yana na to mari tanya chi rendu se. Nam tok zena ha ko ndra munda sablo ta den na to den do chi re du se ko sa chon mi jam ba chi ki se ya po shra men do no she gor ko so mai
mare
na to ja ki ri ta ndra munda gom yon na ta ndra munda sam gora ta
nam to yam mangu yam ki
na to mon bo ki and chi re ze ni te so mu se
anyway it's very vast, there's so much to talk about. We can't cover that all here, but and then sometimes His Holiness would joke that the tantric teachings are really good, but there's also the danger of giving rise to a lot of just conceptual thoughts and thinking.
Conceptual me jamba chi ko chi ke love song se ta ko ro la on ma ya
hello no someone else told that to His Holiness.
But that ni to chi re na nga so Geshe bar dosam gu ta ki wa ngap chi to so yo me to so sablo to ne yo re ze ni chi Donjan chi yo mare anchu no tene ji she gore tene jo no anchu ga po na ti ko so dem to so dam lo ke pa chi ta kala konsem jamre to ni yo jere tene jo so jawan ra tene yo na chi no lo chi ta nga so shia tene tene sam sha ro akam ye gi chum gumundu
anyway so this is at least from from the Buddhist point of view how it's been is being explained, and it's then up to you to further explore and read and study about these things. But anyway, I want to because we are running out of time, I want to leave it at that from my side. But if you have questions,
tala tetse na di choso gom javikas ke gom de ngel njo to ya chero che ke gom de ngel njo ma to ni njo gom kyang kyang che na mi mo bo chi gom ja ti ke po nu ze ya chen son na son di ya se ban chi yong nu ze te shi te kar ze ne jaw chung go ke gom de yong ne re ke gom ze na kar ze wo re ze ti jim se ja sa lo tang go ma ta ze sem lo lo chi ni de ti gom ja ti ke po yo re yana ya pu ki nyok ta chi na le ti khatik sem ban chung jo go sam lo ya po ta ni nga sem ban chi na kyom de ni ri ja khare sem ban chi ni ma re ze jaw jo sam lo ya po ta ni gom ja na ani jima nyota ken so le tia so se manchini lo de to ayungre.
But there is something I would like to add. So it's with regard to meditation. So many people really like to meditate, and they think that it's like sitting like this, just being quiet, doing this kind of single pointed meditation is all what meditation is about. It's good, but what is very necessary to do also, maybe more so beforehand, is to study and learn, because it might be for that moment one sits quietly like this, it might be nice and peaceful, but when one runs into problems at some point, then one hasn't done analysis or hasn't done any studying. Then one would feel very agitated, or it doesn't really help then very much. So that's why I'm suggesting or encouraging you to learn and study and do this analytical meditation before you then actually sit down and do single pointed meditation.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
If I understood correctly, the mind at the point of death, if I heard correctly, could be one of three states: virtuous, non-virtuous, or neutral. Mm-hmm. So my question is that just the state of the mind in the moment, or is it the accumulation of the life that went before? Mm-hmm. So if the person lived a very virtuous life, mm-hmm. but maybe at the point of death they have an angry thought, mm-hmm. so at that moment their mind is not a virtuous mm-hmm. mind, but they lived a virtuous life. Mm-hmm. Is that considered then the accumulation of virtue, therefore virtuous, or is it the actual what is happening in the mind at the point of death that determines whether you are in virtuous state or non-virtuous state in neutral.
Kung si Shika Lhamo la semnang la gewa mikiwe dang lumaten yin chwa. Me mikashi mi chik pesha shana susuki mitilang la tso gewe le mamu sa sabarwa. Ina Shika Lhamo la migewe lo shana ta kabane yongire.
Te magyu longon de kersona yon rakare ze yadrwa.
Kyongara kabane re kaise di Shika Lhamo la
Magyu
la shagire ne miti ngala
Ate nachu undro tanche nang so gewat sem ko pachangol ha de ore gewat peti cholandro jakare sina tin drawing ba yo marta control shikchen bola tin ina cholandro ayore ma to je manchesa pachang ze yatin gol de ore ina chika ko control ro ta tin ngargen ro samo dikya khwangin chasona ngandro kia ni ga sabo shushi pachin ngandro ro jakare.
So what Geshe says is that, any, say, virtuous actions that one does, and it applies to all other actions as well, but there are imprints in the minds that remain, but they can also be destroyed due to anger, say, if you have created some virtue, but then one creates anger, then the virtue can be destroyed. And that if that for some reason happens at the point of death, then the danger is quite great to have a not so good rebirth.
Sonza nga tsu mamambo chik ta chik nanchu nyalwe chengi mambo chik so chiwi kablu ta semba lulu chik chini chetwa shawzini malam yapo so semba lulu chik chidana so gewa ngole sablo tani shichokrawa temani gyabrin rawo ta mountain rawo ta tanji kablu shidani control ta tanja mandrawan tanji mayo shawzini katina malam shiwi gyagri so ngaro shiwi kablu ta chik lolon chini chetwa shawzini.
That's why people oftentimes, they make prayers, Shika Lhamo la, at the time of death, to have a rather relaxed state of mind, which is rather conducive then, for virtue to arise, other than becoming agitated. So they make prayers for that one. Okay. Does that answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Ko kasankenye sema ta tagarong ngjo nyashik tazia tagarong renita sema. Also, Tanguila Tsema to Geshe Tsema in a Tsamangi Shiba Karja Gorezero, Tsama Main Bishiba. Tsema and Tsema Main Bishiba, Kotua Chimba. Tanguila Tsama catching Tombo Nipa Samba Tsama Jeshita, Monsam Tsama Tsema ina, Tsamangi Shiba Karja Gorez, it also Loshi Jare Zimba. Tararisha. Chomatre night, Jerjota Cochanger.
He's referring back to your question from last time, which was about valid cognition.
Yes.
Loshi de Jaranga. Samangi Shiba Karajazite, Saman Dutsari, Sama Maimbi Shiba Karajazite, Loshi Jalaro, Saranjitu.
So, whatever is a mind that is not valid is a wrong consciousness.
Kararish. The United segment, Luri Chama. Yerkyo nala mangi markore yerkyo nala mangi tetsum loshi jeka jashondo lori dangan jeka tsamingi shibarisha some the tsama
out of these 7 and we can maybe talk about this next next time a bit more. No, that's what I'm adding. There are 3 that are valid and 4 that are not valid.
All right. Some jipa jeshi some the tsama
valid direct perception.
Jipa.
Inference and subsequent cognition is valid. Is all a valid cognition. Okay. And the other 4, they're non-valid.
Thank you, Tararish.
Then take you piluk. And that's according to the highest school of tennis, Prasangika school. So the lower schools, they would say, Geshe, the subsequent cognizer is not valid. It's not a valid cognition.
Okay.
Maybe one more question? Or 2? I don't know.
So how does the process change if it's an accident or violent death?
Shikalamura, mi minda kaza kashi lulu shigamura, shishi mi kashi mi shimba susu segara, yamena mota optikala shigre, dene she a gyotang this mindawa isara.
Re, Kosol, Zokanachi, Natandi, Balor, Zod, Angomol, Tanda, Loboini, and Zoyo. So, Teddy, Kat bomb roach, Gami Seja, Tandana, Accident Chinishan, that combination gold and Kajitan, Tendishala, Tendiparam, Tenjoyam, and Ducati Mombo Chitiam, the Tendro do Laur. In I not Nokanachin and Noncheto, so was that so tell Chibachigan.
Rimpachi Parene, Chopochopo.
And such a melon to Tendijan by Strashi Mundu. In I Noncheto, so was that so Taran Yungu, or is it Chibachigan.
We say younger.
No, Chepa.
Aledi, Nangwala, Kalampa Malampa,
that's Samal Younger.
Any one?
Nema Wombo to Sojum did the Yungumari.
The
Dombo Mushinyam, Tenina Shinyam, Tenishinyam Zeachiora, such a melon, Rambanyam Zea, Yungum to Chicha Yungu.
So, from the tantric point of view, apparently, in the case of a sudden death, violent accident, whatever, then it seems that. Or it is the case that these, that we talked in the beginning, that the elements normally they would gradually dissolve, but it's not the case. That apparently that happens quickly and all of a sudden together. But again, from the tantric point of view, it is the case that these more subtle states of mind, they do arise. This mind of clear, of white appearance, of red increase, and a black near attainment, and then the clear light. So these still do arise.
No, so Gomjam Kichina than the Remi Chawakali, Shinki Tajaja, Chinisaulo Tanina, Gomjam Dumasok. Gomjam Kiti, Remi Chawata Tachi Tombo Shianoj, Chini Gomja Tombo, Sankam Togri, Nipa Mankam Togri, and Rumba, Chini Gomjana Yapoyo Isare.
The Mangpada Opticala Shina Young Pingari.
There Chibarwa. Nam Chetason, the Chibale, in the Gori. Param Cheta, Chichatan Chakako Marita counter, Chichatan Chawajachena, Chichatan Chanayan, Namcheta Chipachikan Legro.
They are Conkitivati,
Congutra, the Haptica was. And also Yamlin Cheti, the Haptica, the Jash, all the Chitan Yamlich and Ayarese. But anyway, Yamlich and Haptica, the Coleum Grace. Nancheto Songunyamlitin on the tar and the tar, cheaper.
Yeah, not to come to
John the Chivcaps, Hoptica Shat, John the Chego Marese, Chip John the China, Chip the Cochon race.
But anyway, it's encouraging us to, nevertheless, when we practice this in meditation, that you should do it like the way he explained, one by one, gradually.
That's it. And you don't go Mundra, Chitso.
Okay, time is up.
Yeah. Which Nisha Sharo, yeah. Yeah, came do ya. That's the key go, Jeff.